Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be going through NEET PG one-liners from orthopedics. This is part 2 of the ortho series. If you haven't already, then go through part 1 from the link above. In this video we'll be going through all important one-liners from the topic bone tumors. Do watch the video till the end for frequently asked image-based questions. Father of ortho-oncology, Enneking. He gave the Enneking staging of benign and malignant tumors. Soap bubble appearance on X-rays seen with giant cell tumor. 3 important points for giant cell tumor. It arises from epiphysis. It is most commonly seen between 20 to 40 years of age. And treatment of choice is en bloc resection with bone grafting. Age group affected by osteosarcoma, 10 to 20 years or second decade of life. Osteosarcoma arises from metaphysis. Most common site of metastasis of osteosarcoma, lungs. Chemotherapy protocol for osteosarcoma, T10 protocol. So what is T10 protocol? It is high dose of methotrexate, cisplatin, bleomycin, cyclophosphamide, vincristine and actinomycin D. So chemotherapy protocol for osteosarcoma is T10 protocol. Another frequently asked question is, what is the X-ray appearance of osteosarcoma? So the answer is Codman's triangle or sunray appearance, and this is an associated image-based question from it. Most common site of Ewing sarcoma, shaft of femur. Radiological appearance of Ewing sarcoma, onion peel appearance. 3 important points for Ewing sarcoma. This tumor is diastase positive. It is associated with translocation 11-22, and on microscopic examination you see Homer Wright rosette, and this is an image based question attached to it. Homer Wright rosette seen on histopathology of Ewing sarcoma. Most common tumor producing osteoblastic metastasis, prostate. Most common malignancy of bones, metastasis. Most common lesion of bone is fibrous cortical defect. Characteristic radiological feature of fibrous dysplasia, ground glass appearance. Most common primary malignant tumor of bone, multiple myeloma. It is also called as moth-eaten bone, and the drug of choice for multiple myeloma is melphalan. Maffucci syndrome includes multiple N chondromatosis plus cavernous hemangioma. Masada syndrome is multiple osteochondromatosis. Now coming to some image-based questions. This is the first image of a giant cell tumor. This was asked in AIIMS November 2019. Second image of Ewing sarcoma. You can see onion peel appearance. And as we have read before, it is most commonly seen in shaft of femur. An image of multiple myeloma of moth-eaten appearance. You can see multiple punched out lesions in the skull. And lastly, an image of Maffucci syndrome, which is multiple N chondromatosis with cavernous hemangioma. So thank you everyone. We've covered all important one-liners from the topic bone tumors in this, along with a few image-based questions. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such content.